Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to record high-quality voice audio. First, let's prepare your recording environment. Find a quiet space, ideally one with soft furnishings to absorb sound and minimize echo. This helps ensure your voice is the only sound captured. Next, set up your equipment. A good quality microphone, like a condenser mic, connected to an audio interface or directly to your computer, is essential. Finally, open your preferred recording software and get ready to capture your voice. Now let's focus on microphone technique and audio levels. Place your microphone about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth. This distance helps prevent harsh plosive sounds. Always use a pop filter. It's a simple but effective tool for reducing those sharp P and B sounds. When setting your input gain, aim for your audio to peak around -6 decibels. This provides good headroom, preventing clipping and ensuring a clean recording. Always do a quick sound check before you begin. With your setup ready, let's talk about effective recording techniques. Speak clearly and maintain a consistent volume throughout your session. This makes post-production much smoother. Read your script naturally, focusing on a steady and engaging pace to keep listeners interested. Don't be afraid to take short breaks between takes. This helps maintain vocal clarity and energy. Recording in shorter segments, perhaps 1 to 2 minutes each, can also simplify the editing process significantly. Finally, let's cover some basic post-production steps to polish your recording. First, use noise reduction tools to eliminate any unwanted background noise or hum. Next, apply equalization to enhance the clarity and presence of your voice, making it stand out. Compression is crucial for evening out volume fluctuations, ensuring a consistent listening experience. Once satisfied, export your final audio in a high-quality format, such as WAV or FLAC, for the best possible sound fidelity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.